In this video I'm going to show you how to change the order of images in an Instagram carousel. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram, open up your profile and open your carousel post. As you see, I got that type of post which contains 4 pictures, and now let's say I want to change the order of the pictures, and there is no direct way to do that, but there is some trick how you can change the order of that pictures in carousel post. And all you have to do is to hit on this 3 dots icon, hit on edit, and now you can move photos to the end of that carousel, simply deleting that photo. So I hit on this trash icon, hit on delete, and let's say I want to move one more photo. I can hit on delete. So I have deleted 2 photos, then I hit done. And next all I have to do is hit there on 3 bars icon, there hit on your activity, next recently deleted. Now I got there 2 photos that I have just deleted, and now I can restore them in the order that I want. So restored photo will move to the end of the carousel. So I can hit on that photo, hit on 3 dots, hit on restore, confirm, and then I can hit on that photo, 3 dots, restore, confirm, and now I can go back to that post and check the order of that photos. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.